CARA stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Cara Therapeutics stock is sitting at 37 cents and it is 16% down. Yeah, that's a lot. 16% down for Friday is quite a bit. But we also have to understand the whole context of this. The previous week was when we really started to put in some crazy numbers. But it does not really make this like a bullish range stock, man. Like, I'm being honest. I mean, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. Specifically, like with this thing, I'm just going to zoom out and just kind of share this. For me to really be bullish in terms of like a weekly range, I would love to see 87 cents getting cleared, the highs, but we're nowhere near that right now. So that's why if I come here, and if I see a double break beneath this low, then and only then I'll take a short. Bullish side, I'll keep an eye on it, but like if we start breaking these highs, then we can count this as a bullish trend and we can actually keep shorting. So that's how CARA looks like for me. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.